Make a great choice today with the 2021 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, rear step bumper, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, body color door handles, SiriusXM Radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.